If your drone footage looks choppy like this, you might think it's caused by wind, stabilization, transmission lag, or even a slow SD card. But in most cases, the real cause is much simpler. The problem is usually shutter speed, and the solution is something called the 180-degree shutter rule. The rule is simple. Your shutter speed should be roughly double your frame rate. So if you're filming at 30 frames per second, your shutter should be about 1/60, and at 24 frames per second, 1/50. A fast shutter freezes every frame perfectly sharp. But when those frames play back, motion can look harsh and stuttery. A slower shutter adds natural motion blur, which makes movement look smooth and cinematic. But there's a problem. In bright daylight, a slow shutter lets in too much light, and the image becomes overexposed. That's where ND filters come in. Think of them as sunglasses for your drone camera. They reduce the amount of light entering the lens so you can keep the shutter speed where it should be. The simple rule for drone video. First, choose your frame rate. Then set your shutter speed using the 180-degree rule. Keep ISO as low as possible. And finally, use ND filters to control exposure. With the correct shutter speed and the right ND filter, motion becomes smooth and cinematic. For a long time, I thought choppy footage was caused by wind or stabilization. But once you understand the 180-degree rule, everything starts to make sense. If you'd like more quick drone tutorials, you'll find them at elevatedperspectives.co.uk.